your help. I place all the product links in the description. If you're looking for a versatile, multifunctional grill that can help you cook up a wide range of delicious meals, the Cuisinart STACK5 Multifunctional Grill, with 15-inch bamboo stir-fry spatula and cookbook bundle, might be just what you need. This grill is designed to be both efficient and versatile, featuring a stackable design that allows you to cook multiple items at once, saving you time and effort. The grill also includes a variety of cooking options, including grilling, searing, baking, and roasting, so you can cook up anything from a juicy steak to a delicious pizza with ease. The grill's heating elements are designed to distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. Additionally, the grill's temperature controls allow you to adjust the heat to the perfect level for whatever you're cooking, so you can achieve the perfect sear or grill marks on your meats, or cook your vegetables to just the right level of tenderness. To make cooking even easier, the grill comes with a 15-inch bamboo stir-fry spatula, which is perfect for flipping and stirring your food without scratching the grill's cooking surface. The spatula is also designed to be durable and long-lasting, so you can use it for years to come. Finally, to help you get started with your new grill, the cookbook includes recipes for everything from grilled meats to roasted vegetables, as well as tips and tricks for using your grill to its full potential. Overall, the Cuisinart STACK5 Multifunctional Grill with 15-inch bamboo stir-fry spatula and cookbook bundle is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a versatile, efficient, and easy-to-use grill that can help them cook up a wide range of delicious meals. With its stackable design, temperature controls, even heat distribution, and included spatula and cookbook, this grill is sure to be a valuable addition to any kitchen.